How to email customers on Shopify. So what's up guys, in today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you two different ways to actually getting in touch with customers on Shopify to get started. First off, you can head over to the settings right onto your Shopify store. Let me show you. Here you can see this option settings at the top left corner. At the bottom you will find the settings option. You just simply have to tap onto settings. So after clicking onto settings, then you have to tap onto notification. Basically you are going to have tons of different automatically send out email notifications which you can edit right here. For example, the order confirmation, you can edit this to do so. Just edit the code, and right here you can, let me show you. So there we go, you can see this notification options right here. This is basically the order name confirmed of customers. After then you can see this order, you can order information of the customers. You can choose shipping confirmation and etc from right here. And here you can go, you can tap onto customers, and there you can see the customers here, like the customer's name. For example, this customer is from United States. So after tapping onto it, you can see all these options. You can contact the customers. This is the customer's email ID. You can simply go and contact with them right here. You can get their email and you can contact with them very easily. You can use custom message option to them, and then you can review email and send them. So this is as simple as that. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye.